tell me what you think about business.
Yeah, so if I talk about particularly about business, so business
Yes,
is a very good idea. If we go towards the business, so it's a very good idea and it will serve our purpose. And
yes,
we have, yeah, sometimes we have to invest a lot of money, but when we invest on that, so we will have benefits and profits also.
yes,
And if I talk about the salary, so we are getting salary plus benefits in our business. If we are
yes,
doing business, so we have a fixed salary, we also have fixed salary, and the profit which our product is gaining, so it's only for us. Okay.
yes,
And there's flexibility that we can choose the work time, we can choose the hours, how many times we have to spend on our work, and which time we have to work. So we are totally free that we can
yes,
decide our own suitable time for us when we have
yes,
to work, and which kind of work we have to do, how much energy we have to burn, so we can decide on. And vision, if I talk about the vision, so it's our perspective, by which perspective we want to grow up our product, grow up our business, so we can apply on that. There's no
yes,
need to give and take suggestion from others. We
yes,
are totally free that we can apply our vision, we can see in our manner. Okay.
yes,
And if I talk about the growth. So there
yes,
are lots of chances to
yes,
grow, because if we are giving a lot of energy to our work, so it definitely will give benefit to us. Okay.
yes,
If we invest on something, so it gives back a more and
yes,
much.
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
So it's definitely, if we want to grow, so how much energy we burn for the others work, if we are
yes,
doing the job, so we are giving 8 and 10 hours and
yes,
12 hours, even 12 hours for the others company, others production. But
yes.
that energy if we want in our business,
Oh,
so we will get a lot, we will get
yes,
profits and we will get benefits.
yes,
And authority, if I talk about the authority, so we are authorized to do anything. There is no boss, we are the boss of
yes,
our business.
yes,
We don't have to follow the rules of others. We
yes,
are only the person that we can follow and we can obey for ourselves.
yes,
Okay. And experience, we get a lots of experience if we do any kind of business. So we go through the lots of experience. We
yes,
see many ups and downs throughout the
yes,
journey, so there are
yes,
lots of experience. And
yes,
if we talk about both of these, so everything has pros and
yes,
cons. So
yes, yes,
we can't say that what is good for someone. It's
yes,
only according to us how we can deal with the situation.
yes, yes.
So it's only on us, up to us.
And business. Job is there is a
Yeah.
three things are there that stable income. We have a stable
Yeah.
income. We get a regular paycheck end of the month, and
Yes.
fixed working hours, and a
Yeah.
routine. Okay.
Yes.
And less risk. You don't need to
Risk.
take a
Yeah.
risk. Yes, there is less risk. Do your job and get paid, and after that you continue with the all day life.
Yeah.
But what about the desire? We can complete our need, but when it comes to desire, we can't do this, because we complete our whole day for doing our job, and we are putting lots of effort to do our complete our work, all the things get to done. So our working hour is fixed, and all the
Yeah.
whatever the effort we are putting in that job, but the
Yes.
employee is putting lots of effort, 10 hours, 12 hours, and they get paid only a fixed amount. Yes, they are
Yeah.
promoted, but after
Yeah.
a year, after a 2 3 year, after they get promoted, but not as much the businessman get. So
Yeah.
they these problems created. And well paid job also, apart from this, that well paid job if you have, then it's possible that you lead your life luxurious luxury life.
Yes.
But
Yeah.
if you don't have a well paid job, so that time you complete your need, but you can't complete your desire. So yes, I feel that business is also three topic I have mentioned here. It I categorize in a three way. That freedom, a businessman has a freedom to
Freedom.
make the decision and get your schedule is
Mm.
get by yourself. And earning potential, if you have a high potential, so you earn more.
Yeah.
And you have a high potential power, you master on the field, so you earn more money. And passion,
Yeah.
and if you can build something which you are passionate about it, so you
Yeah.
can
Yes.
follow your passion, and the same time you do your business as well. So this is the beneficial. And if the business flourishing, if the business grow, progress, so your life is full of luxury, and you can live your fulfill your
Yeah.
desire. So this is a business, and this is a job. So
Yeah.
you, yes, yes. So now the conclusion is to risk tolerance. Risk
Yeah.
tolerance, job are the safe, and the but business have more uncertainty,
Yeah. 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 Of course.
because job is a safe. You do and you get money every end of the month. Business may demand more time.
Yes.
Business may demand more time. You need lots of
Yeah.
time. If there is a lots of important works are going on, that time you need to stay with that. So
Yeah. Yeah.
business demand more
There
time.
is no
And
there is no fixed routine that at what time we have to eat, at what time we have to sleep, at what time we have to
yes,
work.
yes,
It can be any time we have to do, and we have to
yes,
concentrate in our work.
yes, yes. And fulfillment, what's the problem they face? They have money.
Yeah. So
Yes,
I think it's a lack of experience, lack of ideas. If we have
yes,
if we don't have enough ideas and enough experience about the work, so we are not going to be successful. Because
yes,
a business, we need a lots of idea and management, how to deal with the situation, how to interact with the customers, and how to
yes,
deal with the products, how to enhance the quality of the product. So there are lots of things we have to manage when we are going to do a business.
what do you feel, that money is more important than intelligence?
No, no, I don't prefer for the money, because
Yes,
there are many people who has money, but they are not
yes,
successful in business.
yes,
But some of these, they don't have money, but they are doing good business by the others' money and by little money. They
yes,
start their business by the less amount of the money, and they
yes,
then they grow the business in higher level. So it's
yes,
only the talent, it can be only the talent, it can be the
yes,
ideas. Yeah, and it is the management, which
yes,
management we follow to run the business. It's only the
yes,
talent, how we
yes,
promote our product, how we convince the customers, and how we establish our productivity.
yes.
So this is
This,
only about a
yes, absolutely. I completely agree with you. If we have a less amount of money,
money.
and we want to do job, we are fixed that we are going to do job. So
Yeah.
there is no question. But if you decided for business, so no problem. If you have a little money and you are passionate about something, so there
Yeah.
is no boundary. You start your
Mm.
business, and without any money is there. I think if you want to start a business with from zero, so
Yes.
less amount is sufficient for that.
Yes, yes. Who are doing the job, so I also prefer, I want to say for that, that they are doing, if they are doing a job, so they have a fixed salary. They don't
Yes,
worry about that. If they are going to work, so they have definite that they are going to earn that money every month.
yes,
They don't
yes,
worry about that, okay. And they have fixed working hours. They have to spend that hours, that many hours in the company or in the workplace. So they don't need to give extra time after that.
yes,
If they back to home, so they are free, they are relaxed
yes,
mentally and physically. They don't have to
yes,
think about the work progress or
yes,
other things. And
yes,
if I talk, so there is no risk. They have
yes,
fixed salary, so they are free about the risks. They don't need to
yes,
take the risks. And
yes,
there are many benefit also if they had
yes,
talent. So if they are working in their own field, required field, so they can show their talent, and they can
yes,
get promoted by his or her
yes,
talent. So this is
yes, yes,
also beneficial if they are
yes,
good at work that time.
yes. Of course,
Yeah.
I'm agree with you that a job is in job place people are working, and lots of people are in job, and they are
Yeah.
secure their life and they run their
Life.
house. So yes, it's also good because